Hi folks, my name is Mike Diehl, and my session at Past Data Community Summit is about using Azure DevOps to compile and deploy BI assets like SQL Databases, Azure Data Factories, and analysis models. I think we've been slow to adopt DevOps practices with BI and data assets. Often source control for BI assets isn't consistently used, and we may use manual processes to deploy, leading to errors and inconsistencies. And often we don't have separate environments for development, testing, and production. This can easily lead to a lot of chaos and quality problems and inconsistencies. If you're feeling this pain, then I think my session can help you. I'll show you how to use Azure DevOps, a Microsoft service that's free for 5 users, to manage the source code of your BI assets, compile that source code into assets that can be deployed, and then use automation to deploy them to clearly defined environments. My demo will show how to create release pipelines in Azure DevOps to deploy to Azure SQL, Azure Data Factory, Azure Analysis Services, and Power BI Premium workspaces. When someone on your development team checks in code changes, Azure DevOps pipelines can ensure that those changes can be integrated with the existing code and compile successfully, and then be deployed to one or more environments for testing and production use, consistently and automatically. Errors can be detected and resolved early, well before any production systems are affected. Your team's velocity and quality can be greatly increased. If you'd like to learn how to make your team work faster and produce higher quality assets and reduce the time it takes to develop BI features and deploy them to production, then this session can help you achieve that.